Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on the Ulta Beauty website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ulta.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Ulta Beauty website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the join/sign in button at the top section or your account icon and then use your credentials. And after you have logged in, you will be taken into your home page from which you can find your account icon at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on this and now you will find the manage account button. Go ahead and click on manage account and you will end up within the account settings page. Now if you wish to change your username, simply click on the edit button at the right side of your personal info section. This will then open up the edit personal info section. Now from this page, you will be able to find various different options, but you will see an asterisk mark at the right side of your name, which means that your username is linked with your email address. So whichever email address you are using, the username for your Ulta Beauty account will be selected from your email address. So you can either click on the email address option and then change your email address, but before selecting your new email address, you can change your name from within your new email address that you are going to use. You can also click on the chat with a specialist option at the very bottom and then let them know that you have made a mistake while setting up your username in the first place while creating your account and signing up. And then from the contact us and chat specialist section, you will be able to follow through with their instructions and change your name. And there you have it. That is how you can go through about changing your name on the Ulta Beauty website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.